Good evening, everyone. How is everyone doing? I hope you're doing great. This is Jamal Jamali with Easy Finance for everyone. As I promised, we're going to talk about the other challenges tonight. As you remember, we already talked about the first challenge, savings, lack of savings, and the second one, inflation. Tonight, we're going to talk about 2 or 3 more challenges. The first one is education. As you know, when teenagers finish high school and they want to go to university or college, at least they will need about $60,000 or $70,000 at least minimum to go to an average college. And this is just for tuition. It's not for the other expenses. They will have more expenses. And usually parents do not have the money. They can't afford it. So the young people, they will have to get a loan, a student loan, and it's okay. But what are the odds that they can find a good job after the graduation? So 30, 40%, 50% if you want to be positive. But the rest will not be able to find a good job. So they will start their life with stress and pressure. How I can pay off my student loan, and then a lot of people can't, and then they will actually lose their credit. So they will be bad credit. I have seen it myself. Some people say we have an RESP education saving plan, but it's not going to work that much because of the inflation. Let's say that for 18 years you get 1% and then you lose 6-7%. So at the end our children will not have access to a lot of money to continue their education. What is the solution? We're going to discuss it very soon in the next episodes. So let's go to the next challenge. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. The next challenge is retirement. How much are we going to get at the age of 65? The maximum CPP or Canada Pension Plan we're going to get at the age of 65 is $1,200 maximum. So is everyone eligible for that $1,200? No. To be eligible for $1,200, you should have been paying CPP or Canada Pension Plan every month for 30 years or more. Otherwise, you're going to get less. So let's say the average Canadian from minimum to maximum, we're going to get maybe about $700 at the age of 65. That's why 60-70% of the North American, they go back to work at the age of 65. So if you see elderly people who are working, it doesn't mean that they like it, they have to. What is the solution? We will talk about it soon. And the last challenge is unexpected loss. What does it mean? If you lose your job, okay, maybe you can just get some EI for a few months, but what happens after that? Or if I get a critical illness like MS, like cancer, God forbid, or heart attack or stroke, who is going to pay for the daily expenses? Nobody. So this is another challenge. Or if I get disabled. So these are all problems that we have addressed, and then we're going to talk about the solutions very soon. Stay tuned. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.